Hello guys, welcome to Street Jam. Well, this time we are getting out of my comfort zone by shooting X-Pan frames with the Gfx 50R. Well, I always thought of getting an X-Pan or a Fujifilm TX camera for that shooting experience. Prior to getting my Gfx 50R, I was very eager to shoot in this format. But after I got the camera, I got so hooked with the 4:3 aspect ratio, I even let go of the 5:3. Anyway, then I thought I would have to push myself, otherwise I would never get the composing skills for this widescreen. So for the first part, I wanted to shoot with autofocus lenses, and since we are chopping the top and the bottom parts for the X-Pan shots, I felt safer with a wide-angle lens, and I started with a Canon EF20 8mm 1.8 lens. And just keep in mind, this was my first time shooting in this aspect ratio, so please be mindful with your judgments. And before I forget, when shooting in RAW with the GFX, it holds a big trick up its sleeve, and that is recropping. Especially if you are shooting in the RAW mode. In Lightroom, you can hit the crop button and you will then get to see the whole frame in 4:3. Then you can reframe or crop to your heart's desire from that point on. This way, you will save the images that won't fit in that aspect ratio. Well, and for the results, as film is getting more and more expensive and harder to get your film washed, I think I prefer this digital solution to an original X-Pan. Plus they break easily, or I mean, anything mechanical has a lifespan, right? And they will eventually die. Plus they are already 50 plus years old. And plus this Bayer filter on the sensor is just really fine with the colors. So no film is really needed, in my opinion, of course. And all that dynamic range and the resolution that you get from this sensor really helps. Well guys, I think rest is just how it works and the shots. And before I'm finishing off with my insights, I would like to tell you that actually shooting in autofocus didn't feel like I was actually shooting in an X-Pan mode, or I was shooting like a rangefinder camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.